So today I went to Savers, so I did get these both. So this, yes, won't fit my big wrist. But, when I bought these, for sure, yeah, how much they were separately. So together these were with sales tax $24.24. So I'm gonna show you a little something here. So we're gonna zoom completely in on this. So, and we're gonna look at the clasps on them both. It's right there. This is 14K. So we know that this is a gold clasp then. Well, we have it zoomed in on there. See how these are not perfectly round, so we know those are freshwater pearls as well. So, and now the necklace. So, Savers, I don't know, they just didn't notice the mark, I think. So, these are gold. So, these are gold clasps. I'll show you how they are set while they're zoomed in. See that? The clasps are the same. So what Dr. Lori Verderan always recommends is with these, if you see a possible set, she said always recommends you buying them and keeping them together. So, yeah. So these are, I'm pretty sure, 14 karat gold clasps, freshwater pearls. Freshwater pearls, necklace and bracelet together. So I was tickled pink when I noticed that gold marks, and they weren't in their tray of gold. There was something I was thinking about, but then I noticed that ring was busted, So these were actually with the costume jewelry. Surprise, huh? So, yeah. I'm not sure the value of these, but I think my gut is saying they are probably worth more than $24.24. But if you haven't already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. And don't forget to like, comment, and share our channel, as it would help get my channel out there to people that just don't know about it yet. By commenting and liking, it would help get YouTube to push my channel to be all of my videos to be recommended to people to watch. And it would help me get to my goal of 1,000 subscribers so I can monetize the channel. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.